Okay, so it's time to pick a winner of the FlexRC Ascent X-Lite frame. It's been a little over 2 weeks since that video was out. Let's go ahead and load up the comments. I think that one only got like maybe 300 comments, 300 entrants, so not a whole lot of people that are interested in winning this frame. Let's go ahead and pick one winner here. We have an RID1. It's got the correct hashtags. Let's check his subscriptions. So he has to be subscribed to both my channel and FlexRC's channel, and there's no way to verify his subscriptions, so we're going to have to pick somebody else. Chris Savanio, and it looks like that's correct as well. Now let's see. Okay, so there's me. And let's see if he is also subscribed to FlexRC. He's got a lot of subscriptions here. Let's just do a search. Doesn't look like he is subscribed to FlexRC, so he doesn't qualify either. Let's go and pick somebody else. Denver Valdez. Okay. Let's check his channel. Okay, so there's me, and don't see FlexRC here, so seems like people aren't reading the instructions. Yeah, again, no, yeah, they're not subscribed to FlexRC, so gonna have to find someone else. Tom Paz 0377. And let's see here, subscriptions. Okay, so there's me, and there's FlexRC. Okay, finally, we have a winner. Okay, so that's interesting. It says Ellie Dan Dane here when I open up his channel. That's the name is, I guess he must have changed his name because that links to his channel, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, that link obviously goes to that channel name, so Illy Dan Dane, congratulations, you're the winner of the FlexRC Ascent X-Lite frame, so congratulations. And again, people, if you guys are entering these giveaways, please read the instructions carefully in the description. One of the conditions for this giveaway is to be a subscriber to my channel and the FlexRC channel, and so obviously you can see I'm checking that. So those of you guys that didn't do that, obviously you didn't qualify to win, so sorry. Gotta follow the rules for the giveaway, otherwise I'll have to select some other winner. But again, congratulations to the winner. You have 48 hours to leave a comment below with an email address where I can contact you, so I know you're claiming this prize. And if you don't claim this prize within 48 hours of the publication of this video, I will select an alternate winner. Again, thanks everyone for participating in this giveaway. I'll have other giveaways coming up. I actually have more going on right now currently on my channel, so just search for those on my channel. And please read the instructions in the description. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.